Alright, so the first middleware component we'll talk about is the query middleware, and it's a pretty useful middleware. What it does is convert a query string from a URL into a JavaScript object, and then it stores that object on a query property on the request object. Alright, so as of Express 4 version 4.0, you get that functionality in the built-in request parser, and you don't need to add any additional middleware, but we'll show you what it looks like. So here you see us creating an Express application. We're creating the app object. We're listening on port 3000, and here on the get any request to the slash, we're going to grab the request and response, and we're going to stringify the request.query object and then send it back to the browser. So we should see the request that comes into the browser. So if we, one second, see if I can, there we go. So notice with requesting localhost port 3000, and we pass in the query string. Remember, query string has the question mark after it, before it. So we pass an ID equals 10 and a score of 95. Then see it correctly parsed it. 10 is in ID and 95 is in score. It correctly parsed it and created a query object based on that. So if we were to go in here and do this, all right, and say just give me the score part. Hold on. It's Rust. All right. Oh, I keep going back to my Rust command prompt. All right. And we run it. If we pass in that request again, this time we should just see the score value, which is 95. All right. So that is the query middleware, and that is how you grab values off of a query string. Take care.